Bonjour. In this video, I am going to teach you Passé Composé with avoir. To form Passé Composé in French, we need two auxiliary verb and past participle of the verb used in a sentence. The auxiliary verbs are to be and to have. These two verbs are used in present tense to make Passé Composé. In French we say être and avoir. Être au présent. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. On est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Avoir au présent. J'ai. Tu as. Il a. Elle a. On a. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Elles ont. Example. He gave her a necklace for her birthday. So in French we would say. Il lui a offert un collier pour son anniversaire. She wrote a letter to her parents. In French we would say. Elle a écrit une lettre à ses parents. Paul asked his teacher math problem. So in French we would say. Paul a posé des problèmes de mathématiques à son professeur. Sophie has asked her boss for a day off. In French we would say. Sophie a demandé à son patron un jour de congé. They watched TV. In French we would say. Ils ont regardé la télé.
They played badminton yesterday. In French we would say.
Elles ont joué au badminton hier.
We ate together last week. In French we would say.
Nous avons mangé ensemble la semaine dernière.
I heard the news. In French we would say.
J'ai entendu les nouvelles.
Did you swim in the sea yesterday? In French we would say.
Avez-vous nagé dans la mer hier?
She cooked pasta.
Elle a cuisiné des pâtes.
He stopped smoking a year ago.
Il a arrêté de fumer il y a un an.
I chopped the vegetables.
J'ai coupé les légumes.
He cut the cake. In French we would say.
Il a coupé le gâteau. Merci beaucoup. Likez, abonnez-vous et partagez. À bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.